Hi everyone, I'm Thelma and this is Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a medium-sized Walmart haul. Now I ordered this online and had it shipped to the store for store pickup, and some of these I got on sale and some regular price, which is okay, because I got real good deals on everything that I selected. And so without further ado, let's get started. First, now I have a giveaway contest going on, and in the description I will let y'all know how to enter it, but I'll tell you now. All you have to do is watch video and some other videos if you choose. Subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right next to it and leave a comment. Let me know you're subscribed, or if you are a current subscriber, just leave a comment that you have already subscribed. That way, the only reason I want you to leave a comment letting me know, that way I'll get your user ID and be able to write it down and put it in the drawing box. And once I reach 500 subscribers, I will pick out 6 winners. Now some of the stuff will be in one box. I will start, I've already started putting in on every video some of the items that you're going to win. And right now I've only been doing the makeup and hair accessories and stuff like that. But next time I go to the store, I'm going to start buying some crafting stuff for you crafters and start putting in another one, but it's all going to be the same drawing. It's just when I do the drawing and I pick my winners. Oh, and if you share the video with someone, just jot down in the comment that you shared my video, and that'll get you an your name put in the drawing extra. So instead of being put in one time, it'll be put in twice. And first I'm going to show you today's items that I'm going to be putting in the drawing. Now I got this from Walmart. It is L'Oreal Paris Evive Total Repairs Damage Erasing Balm, Almond Protein, and Caramide. It is fights 5 signs of damage. It's for weak, dull, dry, rough, and split ends. See if I can see that word. It's in silver, but the light, you know how it hits these packages. And it is just for damaged hair, and it's a 1.0 full ounce. This goes in it. This is from the Dollar Tree, and it is from Spa April, and it's a step 1, step 2 green tea facial cleanser, and step 2 is an activated charcoal face mask. So it's step 1 and step 2. And I'm putting in this Broadway Beauty Bamboo Facial Sheet Mask. It's a pore minimizing charcoal. Whoops, sorry, that was for all you that are returning, you know, back in December we rescued 3 kittens. Well, they have the run of the house. That means if you're sitting down doing something, they'll come flying by and jump right on you. And if you've had kittens or been around them, you know how that is. But anyway, this is a 20 ml size, but this is it. And those are the 3 items, plus this hair. I bought it and I thought it was going to stretch. Now this is for smaller size heads, or you can use it to tie your hair back up in. Anyway, these are going in today. So now let's get started with the haul. Okay, first, as you can see, I already took one out, but this is a Value Twin Pack Crest Scope Mouthwash um, Wrench Bounce mouthwash. But this was a deal. Got 2 of them, I think, for $6. And these were under $5. This one is a Wet and Wild nails. You get 24 nails, glue included. And this is called In a Daze. But look at those beautiful nails. I just love them. And then this one is called Sunset Spirit. Again, 24 nails and the glue is included. And these are like a pink, and look at all that glitter. Let me show you this one again so you can see all the glitter. And let me know if you're interested in and nails, and I will start next time I go or order something online. I'll pick up some to throw in the contest. Just let me know. And for Father's Day, which was yesterday, I bought my husband this Godzilla versus Kong. We already opened it. It comes with, I mean, for those that watched the movie, we have HBO Max, so the day that it came out in theaters, we was able to watch it on TV. And this is the DVD, and this is the special features, the orange. But if you haven't seen this or are not into Godzilla, King Kong, you might want. This is real action packed. I love it. I used to not be in Godzilla, King Kong movies, but years ago my husband got me in them just from watching the older ones, and I love them. Okay, now to the clothes. I picked me up some more jean shorts. This is from No Boundaries. And let's see, I can't remember how much I paid for them. It says it right here. No, that just says my size. Let me show you the back. And these are real comfortable shorts. I bought 2 pair before, and I had to get me some more. And then there's these, the blue ones, the washed. And I have to show you this scarf. How beautiful. Look at this. It's butterfly. It's red and like a cream color with butterflies. And I'm going to have to take this back and get and exchange it. It's got a run going through it. If I can get it out, I won't. But anyway, I'm going to use this to drape above my, I've got in my bedroom, in my bathroom, and it's a smaller window, and I have this, it's like a curtain, but it's more of a flag-like material. But anyway, it has red, a red framed old bike, like a 60s version or 70s, red bird, butterflies, and this will look great draping over top like this. I think that would look great. And this only costs around $5. And then I picked up this one with the flowers. It's one of these. It's like a navy blue with flowers. Now my friend gave me one similar to this one, and it's real similar. It's just the flowers are different, but I loved it. And then when I seen this one, I just had to get it, and it's one of those that you just drape and put on like that. And it's real thin material. You can wear it in the summer. Oh, and this shirt, that's all, folks. I bought this a couple trips ago at Walmart, and it was only like $7. It's the Looney Tunes, and the earrings, they were $4. Let me just show you. And I have some ivory one, like a real off-white color, and a real pale purple. And again, one of them was $1 because it was, I guess it came from last season, but these only cost $4. I picked up some capris. These have flowers and love going all around them, and these were $4. And then I picked up these capris. With the tropical flowers going around them. And again, some more tropical flowers. It's a black background. And these are so comfortable. And again, they're just capris. I picked up this 4th of July headband. It stretches pretty big. Now they have something like this similar to it at the Dollar Tree for $1, but this one is thicker and a little bigger, and it only costed $4.50. And then I've been looking for a butterfly shirt, and this was only $5. And look at that. That's the front. And then this is the back. On the front, it has the moon on top, and it says sky above, earth, and under it. Right here it says sky above, and on the bottom it says earth below, and on the back it says sky above in between the butterflies. I just think it's beautiful. I'm going to grab a drink of my iced coffee. Oh, that reminds me. Now I bought this during a regular grocery trip. They have this Body Armor Light. Now this is the coconut. It's low calorie, no sugar added. And they're under $2 a bottle. And they have different flavors, like I think coconut, mango, pineapple, but these are delicious. And if you're thirsty, they quench that thirst, and they're healthy for you. So just throwing that out there. There it is. Okay, and I got a Clairol Expert Collection. It is nice and easy, age define, fights 7 signs of aging hair. This is a 6R light auburn color shade, and this was clearance down to $3.49. And I bought another pair of shorts. And kittens are going crazy in there in my craft room. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have a lot to pick up. I know I am. Every time I leave that door open, they go flying in there. They get out my mesh tubing. If any of you are familiar, it's the real long circle like rope. If I have any where the package is open, they'll get it out and they'll string it all over around stuff, and then you ought to see me picking it up. And they'll get in my little storage boxes, and off the shelf it'll go. It's just funny. It ain't funny that I have a mess to pick up, but just if you watch them, like I said, if you've ever been around a kitten or have them, you know how they are. Anyway, I picked up this pair of shorts. These were on the clearance, in the clearance, I should say, for I think $2. I'm thinking $2. And these were 2 of them. I thought they were just regular headbands, but when I got them, they're the kind that can go around. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, so I think I do know. I'm going to put this, they stretch. You can wear them as a headband, but I don't know. And here's the lilac purple one. I just don't know what you would, other than around as a face mask, but you don't need face mask anymore. So if you know how you can use these, let me know. But I'm going to put these in the giveaway too. I'm going to put both of them in, and I'm just going to show you the flowers, the design, if I can get my fingers on it. This is what this one looks like. And I already showed you the light purple. Those are going in it too. And I picked up, this was a four pack of scrunchies. These were $3. We have the light purple, the blue. This is either a gray. I can't tell. I'm kind of colorblind. I don't know my colors, but I think I'm colorblind. That's what my doctors have told me anyway. Then there's this one and a white one. And these big ones were $1.49 each. We have this real pretty, like a brown. Then we have this one. We have this tie-dye one, black, and this tie-dye one, and then this tie-dye one. And they stretch real big too. Okay, and the last thing is from Equit. It compares to Polident antibacterial denture cleaner, and it's 2 twin packs. You get 120 in a box. I picked up, these were marked down. I can't remember how much, but anyway, picked up 2. Already took one box out and put it in the bathroom because these are actually dentures, and I like them, so I have to take care of them. Okay, that is all. I'm just checking, making sure I didn't lay something somewhere. That's all in the haul today. And if you like this video, go ahead and click at subscribe and share with your friends for an extra entry, and it also helps my channel grow. Also, click that little like button and leave me a comment after you subscribe and hit the bell next to it, and that way I'll know that you entered, and I can jot your username and go ahead and throw you in the drawing box. And I want to thank y'all for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye.